Hello everyone, today I show you how to use array in AutoCAD 2021. So click new here. Actually I wanna draw a rectangle here. I wanna array this. So array rectangle. So I want the row is now the row is 3. 3. Just to be only one. And how many? How many you want? I want it to be 10. Sorry. 10. Size, how many? Gonna be 5. So the total is 45. You measure, you will know. Measure. Is it 45? 45. It's a little bit bigger. So I want how to separate this. When I click it, it's separate, Oh, it's not separate. So to separate this, click, write the command exploit. Exploit here. So now it's separate, You can move here whatever you want. It's already separate, So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.